Good day to the Civil Engineering Department, to our chairperson, Engineer April Ann Sim, to our professor, Engineer Reynaldo Ramos, and to our advisor, Engineer Raymond J. Severo, and to the panelists. We would like to greet you all a pleasant day. I'm Mark Edward F. Factor, together with my group mates, Mr. Allen John D. Padriquela, Mr. John Patrick Panoga, Mr. Francisco Morada, Ms. Biel Oliveros, and Mr. John Philip Villostas are here to present our proposed study entitled BARSAP, Building Audit of Romblon State University Main Campus, Philippines, Structural Integrity and Maintenance. For the introduction of our study, Mr. Villostas is here to present.